Today we'll be giving you some information on our top quality multi-point inspection that we perform on every vehicle that enters our facility. A vehicle inspection is a complimentary service usually done while your vehicle is having its oil changed and tires rotated. We begin up front by doing a visual inspection of the engine compartment for fluid leaks, belts, hoses, as well as checking the air filter, the cabin air filter, and the wiper blades. We also check the headlights, turn signals, and brake lights to confirm they are working properly. While the engine oil is draining, we inspect the underside of the vehicle for more fluid leaks and any sign of damage from road hazards or normal wear and tear. The suspension and steering components are critical for the safe operation of the vehicle, as they might suffer damage from the potholes, curb hits, and other hazards that are common here in Florida. The control arms, ball joints, tie rod ends, struts, springs, and wheel bearings need to be inspected for leaks, wear, and damage. While we are under the vehicle, we also inspect the exhaust system and the fuel lines. After all of the under-vehicle inspections are completed, we replace the drain plug and install a new oil filter. The vehicle is then partially lowered where the tires are inspected and the brake linings, calipers, and rotors are inspected. If a tire rotation is part of the service, the lug nuts are torqued to factory specifications, then tire pressure is checked, and lastly, we reset its monitoring sensors. In this last phase on the inspection, we will refill the oil and top off the washer fluid. We also check the fluid levels and condition of the transmission, coolant, power steering, and brake fluids. Finally, we verify the oil level, reset the oil life monitor, and replace the sticker. In our experience, many customers assume they're getting a quality inspection while their oil is being changed. This is not always the case. It takes a well-trained technician, a great system, and a dedication to excellence to deliver the type of inspections the owner can count on. Hopefully the information shared today will keep your vehicle's maintenance program on track.